What are you doing, Whyatt? Uh-oh, you turkey. Yeah. Have you mastered the light switch? Uh-oh. Is that the other light, too? Look at all of his artwork there. Oh. My Valentine. There's his little envelope. Look at how pretty he colored. There's his name. There's a flower. Guess who? It's Boo! What are you doing, you turkey? Can you show Mommy and everybody? Say hi. Uh-oh. Did you find that light again? You hear the kids. Uh-oh. Let's show everybody that owie ear. Let's see. Here's the owie ear. Can you tell he's fine? What? Say everybody bye-bye. Tell everybody bye-bye. Whyatt, bye-bye. What's that? Is that an airplane? Yeah, there's a cat. That's Bugsy Cat. Say bye-bye. We love you. Say I love you.